Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be walking you through how you can get or how you can make a trading signals for yourself. So I'm going to show you how you can make a trading signals for yourself. I'm going to show you some tips and some skills you will need to acquire to do this for yourself, okay? And start making a lot of money for yourselves. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Before I go into it, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so as you can see, the token I'm going to use, the coin I'm going to use for this practical tonight is ARDR coin. Okay, ARDR coin is listed on a Binance and some of those other special exchanges. Okay, as you can see how bearish it has gone. You can see how low it has gone. Okay, you can come to this place and click on 4 hours. The last 4 hours it was at 0.1395. Okay, okay, let's see what it was in one day. So in one day it was 0.1395. Okay, okay, let's see what it was in 1 month. Let's see what it was in 1 month. In 1 month it was 0.7. Wow, it has gone a very big load. Negativity here is big. So this is one of the things you should look at before investing in any coin. Okay, if you invest in this very coin now, in 2 days time or 3 days time or just in few hours time, this coin will rise from this 0.08 to either 0.06 or 7. Oh sorry, to 0.7 or 0.6. Okay, if this goes to 0.5 now, you have made a huge profit. So let's go back to the main line, or let's go back to the 15 minutes. Okay, let's go back to the 15 minutes. Now you can see now what has happened here. Here is a low, is a very high negativity. Guys, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, there's 4 good candles down. Okay, and if you can see from this very last place to this current place of 0.089 is what we call a neutral position. So it is now in neutral position, and when any coin is in neutral position, is either bound to go up or to come back down, to keep going negativities. Okay, but the possibility of it going high is 60%, and the possibility of it still going down is 40%. You see, and don't forget I'm using sports now. I'm using sports trading. Okay, so for you to be very sure of this, for you to be very sure of where it's going to, be it down or up, I'm going to use one band, which is called a Bollinger Band. Okay, you can come to down to this place. There's a moving average, there's a EMA, there's a BOL, which is the Bollinger. You click on the Bollinger, and don't forget I said in my last video that each time the Bollinger Band is, each time the negativity has touched the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, this yellow is the upper Bollinger Band, this pink is the middle Bollinger Band, and this what is it, this purple is the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, is the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, you can see it right. This is the lower Bollinger Band. So whenever it touches here, there's possibility that it is going up. So and it touches the lower Bollinger Band, then it continues a neutral movement to this very point. You can see the Bollinger Band is still touching the lower Bollinger Band, okay, on a neutral movement. So from this place now, it will now take it rides up. Okay, the possibility of going up here is 60%, and the possibility of leaving the neutral ground to down is 40%. So this is the exact place you are to stick your trade. Okay, this is the exact place you are to stick your trade. Okay, it has lost minus 1.2318% in the last one day. In the last one day, you can see it. Okay, so this is where you stick your trade. You can stick your trade from 0.92 here. You can say from 0.92 here or 0.94 here, you stick your trade. Okay, and sell your trade at either 0.1 or 0.15. Okay, you can see it well now. If you don't have a Binance account, I will drop a link. I will drop a link you can use to register. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for today. If you have not liked my video, please do. If you have not subscribed as well, please do subscribe. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.